Okay, so about regulation of transcription. You told really a lot of different mechanisms that are present because, as I suppose you already spotted, there are really a lot of mechanisms. I will talk about now about the promoters and silencers, promoters, enhancers, silencers, things like that. So generally, what is very important? Before the gene, we have the promoters. I will move it more like this. We have the promoters. Those promoters are at the beginning of the gene. And those promoters are also extremely important in regulating whether there would be a gene transcription or not. So when special proteins transcription initiation complex would attach here, the RNA synthesis would go on. Without it, it would not. Yes. So we need those promoters, and we need to have special proteins attached here in order to start transcription. This is highly complex process. Yes, you don't need to know exactly what is happening, but you do need to know a couple of things. First of all, it is regulated by those proteins that are attaching to enhancer. Whether they would attach or not is also regulated by the transcription factors. We already talked about that some hormones are acting as a transcriptional factors, and it acts also controlled by the activators and silencers generally. So activators and silencers are also parts of the non-coding DNA. So the part of the DNA that is not in the genes. Yes. So we have so many things that control gene transcription. Yes. We have enhancers that needs to attach to the group of the mediator proteins. We have the group of the mediator proteins, whether it would be attached or not on itself. And all of this process is also regulated by the transcriptional factors, like some hormones. A lot of you pointed out also that all of the processes that we talked about last time, so all of the modifications of the mRNA that would be created in the process of transcription, transportation, splicing, all of it can be regulated. Yes, in all of these steps, mRNA can be destroyed in order to stop production of the proteins before it even begins. Yes, so these are the main ways how to regulate the transcription. So next question, tell me all about the extragenic DNA. So extragenic. I mean, what are the functions? What are the types of the extragenic DNA? Yes, how it is different than genes. How it is different than genes. So one more time, extragenic DNA. Okay, so this is your next task to perform.